You won't believe this, folks, but there are reports of a contagious hiccup plague spreading throughout Bikini Bottom. The hiccup plague is real. Save yourselves! So what do you think, folks? Is it real?
Contagious hiccups? What a bunch of idiots. Oh, watch it, you clod! My hiccups, they're gone! Now you have them! Oh no! You gotta help me, Squidward! I've got the hiccups! Wait! You can't catch the hiccups, you nitwit! What? Ignoramus. Huh?
Squidward has the hiccups! Run for your lives! Ah!